This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
So, I think we just witnessed the moment traditional video editing died. Google just dropped New Flow, and it isn't just an update, it's a complete takeover of how we create. They basically killed off their separate AI apps, Whisk and ImageFX, and shoved all that power into one single infinite canvas. Imagine you're looking at a shot of an empty park bench. In the old world, if you wanted a person there, you'd need a film crew or a week of high-end VFX. With Flow, you just pick up the Lasso Tool, circle the bench, and type "Add grandparent sitting here." Boom. They're there, the lighting matches, and they're moving naturally. It's like Photoshop for reality, but in motion. But the part that actually blew my mind is the style transfer. You can take a standard video you shot on your phone and just flow it. You type, "Make this a 3D Pixar-style animation," and the entire scene transforms instantly while keeping the exact same movement. And for the tech nerds, they've added actual physics sliders. We aren't just prompting text anymore, we're controlling the world. You can literally turn up the wind setting to make digital clothes flutter more, or mess with gravity to change how particles fall in your scene. It's a literal digital God mode. They've also solved the vertical video nightmare. If you shot something in 9:16 for TikTok, but now you want it to look like a cinematic movie, Flow can hallucinate the edges of the frame. It fills in the rest of the landscape that was never even there, expanding it to a 21:9 widescreen shot without losing quality. Now, the catch. It's not totally free if you're a power user. While the basic tier gives you 50 daily credits to play with the new Nano Banana 2 image model, the Ultra tier is a massive $250 a month. But that gives you 4K output and a staggering 25,000 credits. Google is clearly betting that the future of content isn't about who has the best camera, but who has the best imagination. If you can circle a field and type, "Add a red barn," the barrier to entry for filmmaking just hit zero. What do you think? Is this the end of real filmmaking, or just the best tool we've ever had? Drop a comment below and let me know if you're team AI cinema or team keep it real. And if you want to stay ahead of these robotics and AI breakthroughs before they hit the mainstream, hit that subscribe button for AIX. See you in the next one.